What's up guys, this is Sonny back with another video, and today real quick I just want to give you guys a quick update on the Ryzen 3 build. You guys remember I was waiting for the motherboard. Yesterday I did receive the ITX motherboard for this one, and then today I picked up another motherboard from Micro Center. It was an open box motherboard, Asus Prime B350M-A motherboard. I got a $39 motherboard and I was like really excited. I went to Micro Center to pick up like Wi-Fi dongle, and then I saw this motherboard. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna pick up this motherboard. So basically I was debating between building the Ryzen 3 Raven Ridge build in either ITX or like a MATX, right? So the reason I choose MATX motherboard over the ITX, there's a couple of reasons, right? So let's put it this way. I know most of you guys will build like in a mid tower. The reason you're gonna do it, I know, because down the road obviously you will upgrade to a graphics card. Now the problem, if you have let's put it this way, ITX motherboard, you only have one PCI slot, right? So down the road, put it this way, you want to install like a capture card or a sound card. You can't in an ITX motherboard, and that's the problem with the ITX motherboard. It's really good for like a compact build, but again, if you try to like expand it in future, you basically don't have option other than like get a new motherboard, get a micro ATX motherboard or ATX motherboard. And that's the reason I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna build in like a mid tower, and I'll build with like a MATX motherboard. You guys can see I can install down the road, not now, when the graphics card price goes down, I can install one graphics card, and then also I will have like another, because one graphic card will cover the second PCI slot, but I'll still have the third PCI slot if I want to install like a sound card or a capture card. So that's the reason I choose the mid tower build than the like ITX build, because you can expand. And another reason I did that, I wanted to build this PC with the least money I can. So basically I picked up the motherboard for $39. I picked up the Ryzen 3 2200G CPU from Amazon for $94. And the reason I spent $94, I had some point in my American Express card. So basically I applied those points, and then it dropped from $99 to $94, and also the shipping was free. So that's the thing, right? $94 CPU, $39 motherboard, and the case is around $29 with the power supply. Now mind you, I did modify this case, because I was using this case in like one of my mining setup, so I had to cut this part off. If you guys are wondering, that's a Diablotek case. Basically this case comes with that 400 watt power supply, and 400 watt power supply more than enough for Ryzen 3 2200G. And also I'm waiting for the RAM. So basically today's video, I'm just giving you guys a quick update what's going on. Yes, I still have the Viostar X370 GTN, the racing AM4 motherboard, but that motherboard have a problem. I hope the BIOS update does fix it, but the motherboard have problem. The motherboard doesn't even turn on, so there's some problem with the motherboard I tested yesterday. So even though like you need a BIOS update, the motherboard will turn on and the fan will spin. So that's the reason I'm holding back on the ITX build. I'll eventually bring you guys like ITX build, but for now I'm just holding back on the ITX build, and I'm just gonna show you guys like the the mid tower build. So only thing I'm waiting right now, AMD to send me the boot kit. They approved me, so they will send me the boot kit maybe in a week or something. After giving all the proof of purchase and everything, so they will send me the boot kit. And so after I receive the boot kit, I'll update the BIOS, and from there, I'll install the RAMs if I can. If I don't like receive the RAM by then, because I ordered from Amazon and it wasn't like a Prime shipping, so it might take longer. I'll take the RAMs from my workstation and just throw it in here. And also meantime, I'll try to get like more RAMs and stuff. So RAMs price are fine right now, and you guys can see I have like tape over here because I cut this part off here. That's the reason I put like black tape so I don't cut my like hand. And overall guys, the main reason was for cutting this case and making it a little bigger so I can install like a longer graphics card, so that doesn't look so bad. You guys can see the front of the case. This case, Jace 2 cents, he used in one of his budget build also. If you guys go watch his video, you guys will see he picked up this case from Microsoft. I believe he paid around like $34 or something with the power supply. So I use this case in a couple of my builds, and I personally like this case. If you guys have like Microsoft near you or like Newegg, then you guys can definitely check out. And other than that guys, just wanted to give you guys a quick update, and let me know what you guys think. And another reason I didn't want to build in this Jonesbo C2 case, because most of you, I know you're not gonna order this case from AliExpress, and this case also costs like around $59, and you have to wait like 2 to 3 weeks. So that's the reason I didn't build. But if you guys really want to see like the Ryzen 3 build in this case, leave this video thumbs up, and also leave a comment and let me know. And also subscribe and stay tuned for the upcoming the benchmark, and basically I'll just go through all the parts and stuff, and just and overclock the CPU, and we'll see how far we can go. I personally like this motherboard from Asus, because last time I used this motherboard, I managed to overclock the Ryzen 1300X to around 4.1 gigahertz, and also the RAM to 3200. So that's the reason I picked up this motherboard again and got a pretty good deal. So guys, if you guys have any question, leave in the comment below. Like I said, real quick, I just wanted to give you guys quick update and basically show you guys what's going on. And guys, the AMD Raven Ridge CPU are basically right now a headache, because you can't just pick up any motherboard and throw the CPU in. It's not gonna work. You have to update the BIOS. So a lot of people having this problem, not only me, there's a lot of other people having problem. People sending me private message and saying like, I just ordered the motherboard and the CPU and it's not working. So basically guys, you have to contact AMD for the boot kit. If they approve you, they will send you. Other than that, you have to find somebody who has like a Ryzen build, and they can help you. And basically AMD will send you like AMD A6 9500 CPU. You can, if they're the worst is worst, you can pick up the CPU from Amazon or eBay and then do your update and then sell it. So let me know guys. That should be it, and stay tuned for the benchmark and the overclock, and we'll see how far we can go with this build. Peace guys.